The Suzuki RM85 is a legend in the motocross world. Riders love it because of one thing: its powerful two-stroke engine. This bike may be small in size, but when it comes to performance, it surprises everyone on the track. Engine power and performance. The RM85 comes with an 84.7cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine. This motor is built for quick response and high energy. It delivers sharp acceleration that pushes riders forward with every twist of the throttle. For young racers and beginners, this engine feels exciting, fast, and full of life. How strong is the two-stroke? Even though it's under 100cc, the RM85's engine is tuned for racing. It can reach top speeds of around 65 miles per hour, which is incredible for a bike of this size. The two-stroke design gives it instant power, making it perfect for jumps, sprints, and tight turns. Riders often say it feels like riding a mini rocket. Control and ride experience. The strong engine is matched with a 6-speed gearbox. This helps riders control power at every stage, from smooth starts to high-speed stretches. The balance between lightweight design and powerful engine makes the RM85 one of the best choices for motocross training. Final thoughts. So, how strong is the RM85 two-stroke? The answer is simple: it's small but mighty. This engine delivers big performance in a small frame, giving young riders the taste of real racing power. The Suzuki RM85 proves that strength is not about size, it's about speed, energy, and pure two-stroke fun.